What's good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Production Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do one of my favorites. We're just going to do a good old chicken club sandwich. Now typically when you think of a club, you think of 3 layers of bread. Mine doesn't have 3 layers, but I'm still calling it a club because this is going to be Bigtone's way. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the chicken club. So the supporting cast is as follows. Really simple ingredients. Of course you gotta have them for chicken. I got 1 chicken breast cut down thin enough to make 2 sandwiches. I got some bacon, just regular hickory smoked bacon. Got some tomato. I got 2 kinds of cheese. I don't even know if I want to put cheese on this thing, but I got it out here. I got a little bit of shredded lettuce, some Miracle Whip, pink Himalayan sea salt, some black pepper, a little bit of honey mustard, and you can use whatever kind of bread you want to, but I'm using this French loaf here. So I'll be able to cut it down into 2 sandwiches. That's all the ingredients, guys. Let's get started putting this together. So the first thing we're going to start with is the bacon. So I got my bacon on, front and back eyes. And I'm going to flip it over, but I'll be back when I do that. But I want to make sure that you guys know this is the Still Made USA griddle. I've given one away. I love this thing. And if you want one, all you have to do is go down and click the first link in my description and use Bigtone as your product code when you check out. You will get 10% off. So keep that in mind. Go get you one, guys. Look at this crispy, nice bacon here. Flipped it over. And I'm just going to put it in the middle of the grill right here, just so it stays warm. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. You take the bacon press off of this one. I'm going to move these big pieces down here. Let them get a little love. Flip this one over. And that baby's just about done. Put a press on this one. So we're just going to season the chicken up a little bit. First I'm going to throw on some pink Himalayan sea salt. Then some cracked black pepper. Forgive my hands, sorry they're in the way of the camera. We're going to flip these over. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. And that's all the seasoning I'm putting on. We're going directly to the grill. Guys, we're back over here at the grill. So I got, look at this bacon grease. This is going to be awesome. So I'm going to take the biggest piece and put it down here. Right in that bacon grease. Put the other 2 right up there. And it's not going to take long to cook this chicken breast. And we don't want to overcook it. So give me a few minutes, we'll flip it over and get it started. Chicken's been on for a couple minutes on one side. We're going to flip them over. Look at that. Beautiful chicken. Going to continue to let it cook. Alright, so on the other side of the grill, I'm going to go ahead and put my bread down. Get that toasted up nice. You got to toast your bread. Just toast those up nicely. Only a matter of minutes and we're going to put this thing together. So what I've done is I put cheese on one of the sandwiches. So we got this one with cheese on it, some little bit of Colby Jack. The other one I'm not going to put cheese on. But look at that. We got our bacon coming up. And our toasted bread. Let me go over here and put one of these together for you. Plate it up. There you guys go. Bigtone's Chicken Club. You know me, I'm just gonna wait for the bite. Proof is all in the bite. Bigtone's Chicken Club. You know I'm waiting for that bite. So I'm gonna get it. I'm just trying to enjoy it. Hey guys, you don't have to have a Still-Made USA grill to do this. You can do this right in your frying pan. But hey, having a Still-Made USA grill helps. Go check out the link in the description to take you over. Use Bigtone as your product code. You get 10% off. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.